Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue. Issue is that you are unable to restore your iPhone while using your iTunes. So just to make sure you're just using the and also follow all these steps which I'm going to tell that in this video to fix that issue. So basically, when you just try to restore your iPhone while using the iTunes or maybe any other software, and they're saying that you're unable to restore iPhone and something error 4013. So how you can fix that issue on your iPhone, maybe iPad. So just follow all these steps. So first step is that you just have to just go to the settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure you just go to the general section and have to make sure you just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, just go back and just scroll down and see the option of transfer reset iPhone. Just tap on that and just tap on a reset and reset the network settings from here. Also reset all the settings from here. After doing that stuff, just go back, gain back and just sign out your Apple ID. So many users facing issue because the Apple ID something glitches. So and also glitches on the software and on the iOS bugs. So make sure you just update the latest iOS version and also mm, reset all the settings from the settings and you go general section and I already tell you in this video. So just reset your all the settings. After that, update the latest iOS version and just restart your iPhone and again on it. After that, just connect iTunes with the laptop which you want to restore and any device which you want to back up the data and restore the iPhone data. So that's the video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.